Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a video of my dwarf hamster Fynn exploring his new cage. I'm not going to be talking too much, but I thought I'd just let you all know that Fynn, who I only recently adopted, is doing really well. He's settled in so fast and he is incredibly friendly. He's probably the most friendly hamster that I've ever had. He really does love human affection. He will wake up every single night for about an hour. He's not the most active hamster and he's on a bit of a diet because he's overweight, but in that hour he probably spends a good 20 minutes of it just sitting in my hands or running around climbing all over me, which is so sweet. I'm really happy that I got to bring him home, and I hope that you will enjoy the rest of this video.